Gangster Anmol Bishnoi, who landed in India earlier today, was produced in the Patiala House Court. And the latest coming in is that the National Investigative Agency, NIA, seeks 15-day custody of Bishnoi. Bishnoi was perhaps, these are the visuals of Bishnoi being taken to the Patiala House Court, and he was rather masked up there. But the latest coming in is that NIA seeks 15-day custody after India's most wanted. He was also on top of the NIA list. Anmol Bishnoi landed in India. He was arrested by the NIA, and we're also learning that NIA also seized evidence from Anmol Bishnoi, who was extradited from the United States of America. But the latest coming in is that NIA seeks 15-day custody of Bishnoi, Anmol Bishnoi, India's most wanted gangster. For more on this, my colleagues Tejashree and Aditya are now joining me live. Aditya, talk to us about this latest that we are learning at this point of time. Pardon me, Tejashree and Aishwarya are joining me live. Aishwarya, talk to us about the NIA seeking 15-day custody of Bishnoi, and also the evidence seized from gangster Anmol Bishnoi at this point of time.
Well, that's right. In fact, as it was Anmol Bishnoi who was deported from the United States, the NIA arrested him at the Delhi airport itself, and now he has been brought to the Patiala House Court. What we've been informed is that the NIA has sought 15 days of custody. Let me quickly show you these visuals from the Patiala House Court, where he was brought in under heavy security over here. And in this particular jail van, it was Anmol Bishnoi, brother and close aide of gangster Lawrence Bishnoi, was brought to the Patiala House Court. He's wanted in connection with the killing of NCP leader Baba Siddiqui, firing at Bollywood star Salman Khan's residence in April 2024, and also the killing of Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala. He is the most wanted under the NIA list. His whereabouts were also taken into the custody by the NIA as well. So it is, now finally, after a long period of time, when India was expecting expedition of Anmol Bishnoi, he is now finally being deported. At least 200 of those Indians were deported from the United States. Among those, Anmol Bishnoi was also one. He was the one who was involved in making the infrastructure available for the terror module in the country as well, the extortion racket that he was involved, and certainly the most important one recently, the killing of Baba Siddiqui and the firing at Salman Khan's residence. So all of that, certainly he was working on the behest of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, and it was the entire operation that he was conducting from various countries as well, and therefore the reason perhaps it is just not the NIA, but also after the NIA, we've been told it will be Mumbai Police, Delhi Police, Rajasthan and Haryana Police, which will be seeking also the custody. Whether the court will, give 15 days of custody as being demanded by the NIA initially is something that remains to be seen. But very shortly, he will be leaving from the Patiala House Court, where we are reporting from.
Right, Aishwarya, thanks for getting us the lowdown there. Tejashree is also joining me live from outside the Patiala House Court. Tejashree, we're learning that gangster Anmol Bishnoi, there's a 15-day NIA custody of him. Talk to us about more the point which Aishwarya made, whether the state authorities will also be taking over this case or not. At this point of time, what we're learning is that NIA has sought the 15-day custody of gangster Anmol Bishnoi.
Well, absolutely. NIA has sought 15 days custody, and in these 15 days, he will be thoroughly interrogated, not just by the NIA, but other agencies as well. As Aishwarya was pointing out, that how his name emerged out in the major cases, counting it from his name involved in the shootout at the residence of Salman Khan. Apart from that, also his name was there in Sidhu Moosewala murder case. Also, in fact, Baba Siddiqui's murder case, his name was taken up. So not just one, there are multiple cases, and perhaps that is why this is the reason that NIA has sought 15 days police custody for him, and all in these 15 days a thorough interrogation will be done done, and post that again he will be produced here in the court, in the Patiala House Court, from where we are reporting right now. And in fact, what we are also learning is that, you know, this as we are reporting outside, we will also try to show you the visuals that how this entire area is being sanitized, because the manner in which he has been brought, there was the security was also beefed up over here outside the Patiala court, and in fact inside the premise also. But it seems like that within 30 minutes, like, he has been produced, and NIA has sought 15 days police custody. Now it seems like within 30 minutes, the judge will be giving the decision about how many days of custody will be given to the NIA for the police custody. Is it 15 days or less than that? That we'll have to see definitely. But yes, important to notice that what emerges out in the investigation, where the links are, whose name he takes in the investigation, that is more important. Back to you.
Right, Tejshri. Aishwarya, the hearing is underway, like you mentioned, and in a short while from now, we will be seeing gangster Anmol Bishnoi stepping out of the Patiala court there. The NIA has sought 15-day custody, and he is one of the most wanted terrorists here in India, also on the NIA list. Talk to us about what can we expect, what will emerge from the investigation, 15-day NIA custody, and also how this arrest and this extradition of Anmol Bishnoi perhaps marks a major breakthrough, because he is not just the most wanted in the murder of Baba Siddiqui, but also the gunshots outside actor Salman Khan and the murder of Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala.
Well, what we've been told is that Anmol was charge sheeted by the NIA in March 2023 itself. And since that time, NIA was seeking custody of Anmol Bishnoi. Anmol Bishnoi was, who left India. He was fugitive, moved from India to through Nepal and via Kenya. He ultimately reached the United States. Since last 1 year, he was there in the United States, and finally, after much efforts of the agencies, he has been deported and brought to the Patiala House Court, where we are reporting from. Of course, 15 days custody is something that NIA has sought initially, but it is just not the NIA. Different agencies are involved in the entire nexus, the terror nexus that Anmol Bishnoi was handling on behalf of his brother and close aide Lawrence Bishnoi, who is jailed at the Sabarmati jail in Ashram in Ahmedabad. So certainly, regarding several of those shootouts, be it of Sidhu Moosewala murder, Baba Siddiqui's murder, or the shootout at Salman Khan's residence, he is the prime accused. So interrogation will first be handed over to the NIA if the court grants 15 days of custody. Further to that, we have been told that it will be Delhi police who will be also seeking his custody. Mumbai police is also one of the agencies which will be seeking custody, and later because he hails from Rajasthan and Haryana, where major of those operations are being conducted, those police authorities will also later seek custody of him. But interrogation process will get on, and we have to wait and watch as to how the entire proceedings from here on goes on, and how the NIA interrogates the linkage between him, Lawrence Bishnoi, and the entire the module that this gang runs in India, just not in India but also in different parts of the world.
Right, Aishwarya, absolutely. So just for our viewers, the NIA has sought 15-day custody of Anmol Bishnoi, and other agencies will also be involved in interrogating. Tejshri, coming to you, Anmol continued to run various terror syndicates. That's what even Aishwarya pointed out. And a short while ago, we also broke on how Anmol he fled to the United States of America on a fake passport under the name Bhanu Pratap. Tell us more about these revelations which are coming to the surface, and how and what can we expect in the proceedings going forward?
Well, absolutely. All the 360-degree investigations will be carried out, and as and when the investigation and questioning will continue, more and more details will emerge. But as of now, important to note that the manner in which he was present in India and the kind of connections he had, not just within India but international connections also, where his handlers are, where his other gangsters are they within the country, and if they are within the country, they will also definitely be arrested. Who helped him to make the passport? That is also very big question. That how this his passport was allocated to him, and then even if it was allocated, then how he was allowed to fly abroad? Now, where his connections are, number one, where did he get did he get funding from? The fundings were made within India, or they were all foreign fundings? If they were through Hawala, the Hawala network will also be probed. If there is any chance of money laundering, all these things, will be kept in mind so as to who all were involved, and of course his connection with Lawrence Bishnoi as well, that how he was working at the behest of only Lawrence Bishnoi, or is someone else who is associated with the Bishnoi gang, who is helping them to propagate this entire propaganda of terror in the country and beyond. Back to you.
Right, Tejshri. Thanks, Tejshri and Ashwarya, for getting us the latest. As we speak, gangster Anmol Bishnoi, India's most wanted, is right now at the Patiala court, and the NIA has sought 15-day custody. Along with that, other agencies will also be interrogating and probing this case. But thanks for getting us the latest. That's what Tejshri and Ashwarya joining us from outside the Patiala House Court.